got this thing a while ago, Saphe One Plus. I wanted to make a video about it back then, but I figured, you know, I'll give it a whirl, give it a try, because I think brilliant, amazing concept. So I was like, I'll do a video. It's a really good concept, straight away. Don't even need to test it. But I'll give it a test. You know, could be rubbish. It's not. It's not rubbish. The Saphe One Plus is tiny. It's currently in a phone holder, just there. It's got a little. I haven't stuck it down yet because I haven't decided where to put it. So I'll have to in a phone holder. Little device, stick it anywhere in your car. It's battery powered. It doesn't need to plug in. Apparently, the battery can last 3 years, which is incredible. I mean, it's been on a month non-stop. It still works. So I'm assuming it lasts a fair while. It's a cool drug. So anyway, what is it? What is the Saphe One Plus? It's a tiny device, Bluetooth, connects to your phone. You have the Saphe app, which is currently open on my phone now. It's got maps, and it tells you where all the speed cameras, traffic cameras, radar cameras, and accidents, hazards, etc. It tells you where they are because it's user fed. If you have a look at it just there, it's got a little button there, a little blue button. If I see a speed camera that it hasn't bleeped for, press that little blue button and then it logs it on the app and it tells everyone else with the thing. So it's user fed. It tells everyone else with the thing that there's one there. And then the red button next to it, that's a hazard or a crash or whatever. Pop that on, you come up to it, quite a distance away, it'll bleep and it'll tell you. It'll say bleep, 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 there's a camera, an accident, bleep, 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 bleep. It doesn't do that, but I think there's some speed cameras just down here. Fixed speed cameras, so you'll hear it, you'll hear what it do. What it do. So yeah, I mean it's in the app. There's plenty of controls, customizable. It tells you how far, where, when. You can set it to 10 meters, whatever, 100 meters away, etc. So on and so forth. And then the phone itself, if the phone is open with the app open, you can set the settings in there so the phone will make a whoop 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 noise as well as the bleepy bleeper. It's brilliant. I'm paranoid about getting caught speeding because I did the motorbikes for a fair time, done the car now for 3 or 4 years, and I've got a quicker car now. It's to me a fast car. It's a 2 litre, so I'm always paranoid about getting caught speeding. I've got a clean licence. I don't want it. See, now on the app there, it's just come up saying in 0.5 miles on Station Road there is a fixed speed camera. If the app's open, you can have a quick look on the map and it tells you they're there, just on the map. It says 2 of them. So it tells me my current speed, and there you go, bleep, 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 bleep. 0.2 miles away from the camera, it goes bleep, 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 and it tells you, it says, camera there, make sure you're doing whatever miles an hour you need to be doing. It says it's a 30 camera, just there. Just on the app there, it says it's a 30 camera, it tells me my current speed, make sure you're doing under 30 miles an hour. This is user fed as well, so speed vans, radars, etc. It'll tell you where they are, it'll come up. It's a clever device, it's absolutely brilliant. If you don't want the maps open, you can use the maps to see where you're going, what you're doing. You're brilliant for taxi drivers, general people that drive for a living, amazing. Truckers, them types of folks. But if you don't want the app open, you open the app, it'll go beep, bing, and then your phone will vibrate. It's then connected. You can then shut the app and it's still running in the background. So whenever you come up near speed cameras, accidents, mobile speed cameras, it will still bleep. It'll tell you. It's absolutely brilliant. The other feature that it has, which I really like, you can often forget. You can just get in your car and forget. You can be like, I didn't remember to turn it on to go onto the app. So when you get in the car, it's motion detected. So as soon as if it's been sat off for a while or disconnected for a while, as soon as you get in the car, motion detected, and it'll make the same noise. It'll go beep 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 beep, and pretty much to say like, remember it's there. Turn your phone on, connect to it. But I like that feature because it's also a deterrent. So if someone bumps my car, tries to get into it, tries to steal it, it'll make the same noise, the alarm siren, wee 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 noise, and that's a deterrent. So then they'll go, oh, there's an alarm, that's a motion detection alarm. It's not, it's just that, it's clever. It's just a reminder to say, connect your phone up. But overall, I've been using the Saphe One Plus for around a month. Peace. Been using it for around a month now. I haven't been caught speeding yet. It's very useful. It's even told me about mobile cameras and radar cameras, and even just a guy stood at the side of the road with a radar gun. It's told me about an accident way in advance, so it's bleeped for the accident, so then I'll know to just turn off, take a different road, so I don't get stuck in traffic. It's absolutely brilliant. It's on Amazon. It's a cheap, very effective car gadget. Definitely worth buying. Links in the description below, and hope you like, enjoy, share, comment, subscribe, all that jazz, and peace out.